The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. For Hancock, Wyandotte, Marion, and Morrow counties, winds will be out of the southwest at 15 to 30 miles an hour, with gusts around 45 miles an hour. Winds will increase by mid-morning with the peak winds between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Winds will slowly decrease during the late afternoon. Minor property damage may occur without extra precautions. Motorists in high-profile vehicles should use caution until the winds subside. Reminder: a wind advisory is issued when sustained winds are forecast to be 31 to 39 miles an hour, or gusts will range between 46 and 57 miles an hour. Winds of these magnitudes may cause minor property damage without extra precautions. Motorists in high-profile vehicles should use caution until the winds subside. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. Now